Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Notion mobile project tracking, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the App Store on your mobile device. Search for Notion in the App Store search bar. Download and install the Notion app on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the Notion app. Sign in to your existing Notion account or create a new one if needed. After logging in, tap on the New Page button to create a new project tracker. Select the table option from the template choices available. Name your project tracker at the top of the newly created page. Define the columns for your project tracker according to your needs. Consider adding columns for task name, due date, status, and priority. To add a new column, tap on the plus icon next to the last column. Choose the type of property you want for each column from the options provided. Once you have set your columns, start entering tasks by tapping on the empty rows. Fill in details like task name, due date, and status for each task. To manage your tasks efficiently, use the filter feature to view tasks by status or priority. You can also sort tasks by due date to keep track of deadlines. Add tags or categories to tasks for better organization. Utilize the checklist feature if you prefer checking off completed tasks. Regularly update your project tracker as you progress through your tasks. Feel free to adjust the layout or format as you become more comfortable with the app. Explore additional features and templates in Notion to enhance your project tracking experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.